New tonight, you've likely seen some of the meat alternatives on the market, from Beyond Meat to Impossible Burgers. And experts say that alternative sources of protein, some that haven't even been developed yet, could become a more important part of our diet in the years to come. That's why UC Davis created a new Center for Alternative Meat and Protein run by Professor David Block.
Hard at work on the UC Davis campus, researchers are developing the next generation of meat alternatives.
To actually solve, how do you actually create this on a large scale and have people really want to consume it?
Professor David Block is director of the Integrative Center for Alternative Meat and Protein. Think plant-based meat like the Beyond Burger. Researchers are also developing fungal-based foods and cultivated meat from animal cells grown in large fermenters.
Alternatives to meat require enormous expenditures and research. Why do this in the first place?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's a really important question, and people are very interested in alternatives for a lot of different reasons.
Block says the world's meat consumption is expected to increase 50 to 100% over the next 25 years. And as a major source of global greenhouse gas emissions, meat production contributes to climate change.
We don't do anything. There's not going to be enough meat to deliver protein to the world population. And so we need to really examine other methods for producing meat to fill that demand.
Creating something that tastes just like the real thing and is just as nutritious will be a generational challenge.
And if they don't taste good and they're not healthy and they're not the right price, people are not going to consume them.
Some of the nation's brightest food scientists at UC Davis will have to cook up something good.
And Block says that the next 5 to 10 years could be a very interesting time in the meat aisle, with hybrid food products still yet to be developed and discovered.